Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the matter has been taken up with the Assam government and a meeting will take place very soon to discuss the border skirmishes. He told media persons that such skirmishes could end only after the interstate border disputes are resolved with Assam, adding that this may be expected before the end of 2023, when the final MOU with the neighbouring state will be signed. Questioned on the clash and if a visit will be made to check the ground situation, Lyngdoh informed that the government is taking stock of the matter and both the deputy chief ministers will be touring the area soon.
Border dispute with Assam, and we expect that before end of 2023, the final MOU with the government of Assam will be signed, and that will have the domino effect of taking a check on such skirmishes happening in future. I'm given to believe that the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home and the other deputy both will be touring the areas very soon.
The Department of Tourism